Dogs can skate, chimps can skate, birds can skate, but can cats skate? Yes, they can. This is actually really impressive. But can my cat skate? Well, I'm gonna try to teach her. In just 3 short days, Suki's gonna go from average cat to she was a skater kitty, hopefully. Our goal? Paws on the board, moving willingly.
Is that cheating? I feel like that's cheating.
If she successfully completes, she will receive Skater Kitty status. But if she can push, which I've yet to see a cat do, she will receive the ultimate Skater Cat status and earn a trip to the forbidden place.
This is her favorite shoe, so I'm hoping it helps. And this is her favorite toy. Suki.
My first goal was just to get her on the board willingly. She loves to stick her favorite toy in my dad's shoe, so I thought the same would work here. I started with the shoe on the skateboard.
Yes!
Before moving the shoe, hopefully where she'd ride to it and then stick it in the shoe.
Ah, you are scallywag. Why?
After several minutes of trying, I decided to move on to a different idea.
This cat has never been treat motivated, but we can try. See?
I was running out of ideas. Then it dawned on me. What are cats afraid of? Water. So I decided to surround the board with water.
No, you're not supposed to drink it. You're supposed to be afraid of it.
So she had no choice but to jump on the board.
No!
Surround it with water.
Kitty, you weren't supposed to do that.
I tried for a bit longer, but Suki was now concerned about her wet paws.
Alright, it's day 2 of trying to get my cat to ride my skateboard. Yesterday's attempts were something, but we've learned, right, Kitty? Right, Suki? And we're gonna do better today. I'm worried that I may have made my cat afraid of my skateboard because now she won't even put her paws on it.
So I decided to hide the board. And that seemed to work nicely.
Alright, that was 4 paws on, kinda. That was good. Yeah, kind of. Yes. Good job, Kitty. That was good. Bye.
And I tried to reward her with a treat, but she refused.
Well, today is day 3, the final day of attempts. And I hope it goes well. I really would like her to get on the board without the mat on it, because then it would look cooler and look like she actually did it, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. Wanna play with that today?
Oh boy! The final day was all about redoing what we got the day before and board comfortability.
Come on, Susie. Yay! Good job.
I wanted to be able to push her without her jumping off. Now she doesn't seem too bothered by the board when it's moving. Well, when she's not on it.
Okay, kitty. You and me. Together. Isn't that fun? I tried.
Well, she did willingly put paws on the board, even while it was moving. So, as a part of her new Skater Kitty status, I built her a new crib.
For you. Go. Yes. Congratulations. Whoops. Nope. You do not get to go in the forbidden place. No entry. Nope.